Good evening, everybody. Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be unboxing and setting up this iPad Air M3. I just picked this up. I actually just got back from the store. I picked this up. I ordered it right after my other live stream, and as you can see here, it is the 11-inch iPad Air M3, 128 gigabytes. So just the base model. I didn't even realize that Apple came out with or updated the regular standard iPad when these came out. I wasn't really paying attention, but they updated the iPad Air and the iPad. So there's the regular one in the Air. The Air, of course, comes in the 11 and 13-inch size, whereas the other regular iPad is just the 10.9-inch. But that one comes in some different colors. They both support the keyboard case, it looks like, this year. They both support the Apple Pencil. So yeah, I mean, pretty cool. I think the other one charges the Apple Pencil via USB-C, whereas the Air, I believe, is magnetic on the side for charging. Let me see what the Apple Pencil Pro is compatible with. Let's see. Yeah, so the iPad Air, the Pro works for the iPad Mini and the iPad Air and Pro. So same Apple Pencil as the iPad Pro. They do have a Magic Keyboard for the iPad Air, which is $269. So not too bad. So I mean, it's got a lot of the features that the Pro iPad has now, except for the fact that the Pro has the OLED display, the higher end display, and has the M4, whereas this has the M3. But for an iPad, that's still plenty of power. I think for the average person, something like the iPad Air would be a great tablet at a pretty good price point. If you're looking to save a little bit more and you don't care about the processor as much and Apple Intelligence, you can go with the regular one. Those are under $400 for the base one. So go ahead and get this popped open. I didn't need another Pro though. I'm just going to use this for web browsing, YouTube, stuff like that. I've been creating thumbnails on Canva, so I'll be using that, using this for that. I might pick up another Apple Pencil. I'm not too sure, but here we go. It's pretty lightweight. We'll put this off to the side for now. Kind of reminds me of the iPad Mini I had before my M4 Pro. And then we have your quick start guide, and of course they do not give you any Apple stickers anymore, unfortunately, but with the iPad they still do give you the power adapter. This is a 20-watt power adapter, so you get that, and you also get a braided lightning cable, not color matched or anything. That's white, and the iPad is space gray. So I actually already have a braided Apple cable out from my iPhone, so we're going to go ahead and just leave that in the box and take a look here at the iPad. I did order a screen protector for this from Amazon. It will be here sometime this weekend. The cart said, or the listing said tomorrow, and the cart said Sunday. So we'll see. We have no text on the back, which is new. Normally it says iPad down there. I don't know if that's new for this particular one, but my last one definitely said iPad right here. So we just have the Apple logo, the smart connector down here for the keyboard, and then we have the cutout window right here for the Apple Pencil to charge wirelessly through the aluminum. And that is it on that. We do have Touch ID here, so for all the people saying Touch ID died with the iPhone SE, it did not. It is still right there on here. And then of course we have USB-C down here because everything has USB-C now. So we're going to go ahead and boot this up. been a while since I set up an Apple product, particularly since the iPhone 16 Pro Max came out. But that was super duper quick to boot up. Very surprised to see we have 100% battery. So we're going to go through the setup here. You can change the size between a bunch of different sizes: small, default, medium, and large. I'm just going to leave it on default. We'll go ahead and just set up manually. Let me type in my Wi-Fi information real quick. All right, let's see. There we go. Getting that connected. It's activating right now. There is a software update. We're going to update later because I am going to put the beta on here. So I'm just going to set that up when I finish this anyway. We'll set up Touch ID. All right, gotta do it the other way. Just gonna add both fingers now while I'm here. All right, create a passcode. All right, we're gonna, let's see if let me see if my iPad backup is still here. I might have deleted them all. Just so I don't have to search for a bunch of apps. Let's see if it's still here. Yep. We're just gonna go from this backup right here just so it's got my apps and stuff on it. I don't think it'll really have anything that's outdated or anything like that that I don't want. Just gonna do all the Apple Pay stuff real quick. Hold on. And this does support Apple Intelligence, being an M series processor. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Alright, so it is restoring from iCloud. Shouldn't take too terribly long, I don't think. Couple more minutes remaining, not too bad. And restarting. I just hate having to set stuff up new. Alright, let's see. One second. Let's see here. Touch ID is not going to work because we haven't unlocked it yet. Alright, so everything is right where I left it back when I had my iPad Pro. Kind of weird to see everything still here. Another thing that I noticed right off the bat from the Pro that we don't get on the Air is the Pro Motion display. That's kind of noticeable. I forgot about that. But I mean, it's not a huge deal. Like I said, it's going to be mostly for like YouTube and stuff like that, which is going to be in, what is this? I forget what app that is. I don't need any of this. Most of the YouTube stuff, or everything on YouTube is 60 hertz, 60 frames a second or less, so not a terribly big deal. Well, let's pop into settings here and see what we've got. I believe it's still downloading the Apple intelligent stuff. And we do have battery health on this, so it does show your cycle count and your manufacture date and first use date and all that, so that's pretty cool. I do like to be able to see that. As you can see here, it was manufactured in December, so went pretty far back for these. These just came out 2 days ago, so you know, 2 or 3 months before it was came out. But all the apps are downloading, so there we go. Try Touch ID. Worked just fine. It did unlock. It just wasn't. I think if you wake it up and then do it. Oh yeah, if you leave your you can tap it and unlock it real quick. It unlocked, but then you can rest your finger on there. If you rest your finger on there longer, it unlocks the actual. It actually goes into the home screen. So there we go. I'm probably not going to put a case on it or anything like that. I don't really need to. It's just going to be around the house, you know, at my desk, stuff like that kind of tablet. So I will put a screen protector on it though. I did order an ESR one, so that should be here in the next couple of days. So once that gets here, I'll probably do a video putting that on if you guys want to see that. But other than that, I'm Colin with Techout. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.